Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a beautiful 7x14 off-road trailer we just got in stock. This one's again a 2019 7x14 in a two-tone exterior. Does come with the diamond plate rock guard on the front. You also have the nice diamond plate wrapped corners there. Generator platform, extended triple tube tongue, side swivel jack, and a removable front coupler. This one's stock number 15015. Side door does have the double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. And then you do have the two LED party lights here off the side of the trailer. These are awesome light bars. You guys can check those out. We have another video on YouTube with these on at night. You do have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder here off the side as well for some exterior storage space. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black diamond plate fender for that blackout package, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, black aluminum American racing wheels. You're going to have approximately 19 inches worth of ground clearance with this unit. It is equipped with power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there. Side vents with this unit, drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close. You also have the very cool black diamond plate wrap on your rear door jamb. Two LED load light party lights here off the back, so you guys will have some great load light at night to be able to see what you're doing. Get you a better shot of this side. This is an awesome looking trailer. Insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner as well. And then we also have the Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. That's this product right here. Super durable surface here on top. Underneath is Maxx. Maxx does not absorb any water or moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of your trailer. So nice upgrade there over your standard wood floor. This floor will last you much, much longer. 4 D-rings. You've got 2 here at the back, 2 more up front, and I believe a 6'6" interior height in this unit. 2 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted. You can lock them. Now we've got a light switch back here. This is going to turn on your spotlights here at the back. And then we also have an outlet back here with 3 more additional outlets there in the front. We'll talk about lighting for a second and power sources. This unit is equipped with a battery box, and a charger, which is awesome because you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle or a power source to have your lights on. So this battery right here is going to run those exterior lights, both the party lights, the spotlights, and your 4 LED interior puck lights. You've got 2 of these on each side, which is great. Then you also have 30 amp service in here, which is this right here. You take this cord, pop it right through the cord port, go into your generator, go into the campground, an extension cord, whatever. That's going to power up your 4 interior outlets, your 1 exterior GFI outlet, your 2 4-foot LEDs here across the ceiling. It's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you do have some climate control in here with hot and cold there with the AC unit. And then you also have a Maxx Air roof vent right here. It does have the bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in if you guys forget to close that. And then your side vents are nice as well. Again, you've got one up there in that top corner, another one here in the back. It's going to naturally give this trailer a little bit of ventilation. So if you guys want to haul toys in here, anything with fuel, that's a nice upgrade as well. About a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit. And as always, give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485. We do ship. If you guys don't live near us, no worries. Just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. We do ship for very reasonable rates. And again, 303-688-8485, or we're always online, coloradotrailersinc.com.